Kelly blinked 87 times in 6 minutes. At this rate, how many seconds passed in 58 minutes? So this one's tricky because our rate is blinks per minute, but our answer needs to be in seconds. So there's going to be an extra step to this one. So we'll start by creating a ratio table, and we'll have blinks and we'll have minutes, and it takes 87 blinks in 6 minutes, and we need to figure out how much time is for 58 blinks. But there's not really something easy I can do to get from 87 to 58. Remember, we can't add or subtract. It has to be multiplication or division. So I'm going to do this as a two-step table. I'm going to move 58 over here. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this out. So what can I simplify, or what can I divide out of both 87 and 6? And I'm pretty sure I can take out 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 87 divided by 3. 3 goes into 8 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, you get a 2. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract, you get 0. So that's 29 blinks every 2 minutes. Now I have to think, is there something I can do to 29 to get to 58? And actually there is. I can multiply it by 2. And I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 2. 29 times 2 is going to get me exactly 58. 2 times 2 is going to get me 4. So Kelly's going to blink 58 times in 4 minutes. But remember, the question is how many seconds passes in the time that it takes for her to blink 58 times. Well, we know it's 48 minutes. I need to know how many seconds that is. Each minute is 60 seconds. So times 4 is going to be 240 seconds. 240 seconds will pass in the amount of time it takes her to blink 58 times.